My name is Romit Bose. I'm the president of the Professional Golfers Association, the PGA of India. Well, ambitious projects like this obviously have a great delivery because what they are going to do is provide jobs and economically benefit all the workers who are going to be associated with the projects. So whether it be the development platforms or whether it be the manufacturing platforms, I think the workers are here to gain the most out of everything. And I think this ambition from Honorable Minister Jayant Chaudhary is something, a vision that is actually backing the gainful employment of a lot of people in this country. And I think that's where the crux lies, that sports development immediately improves the lives of so many more. Well, social development and economic development go side by side. Basically, you will uplift the skill level of each and every participant in the program. And so, suppose there's a lady who's working in a sports industry factory. Her son will say, okay, my mom's a skilled worker and she's at this level of development. So I think that is where the social development will also happen, and they will actually get out and get more earning, and that will lead to a better lifestyle, a better delivery of their own skills. Great benefit of government partnering with private companies who are manufacturers of sporting equipment. The most benefit goes to the player, because once the government puts or gives us subsidies in even raw material procurement, automatically manufacturers have a lower cost of manufacturing, and then we are competing with the world market. So we won't see very many coming from outside. We'll actually have our own grown manufactured products, sports equipment here, which will be so cheap that everybody else can also participate in that benefit. And it goes to the skilled players, the coaches. Everybody gets more and more equipment, and that's something this project is definitely looking forward to achieve. So the word edge in sport obviously gives you that little advantage that we require always in our sport systems. I mean, just by saying sport is not giving you any benefit, but the moment you read the word sport edge, that means we have the upper hand in delivering your future, whether it be in the industry, whether it be in the manufacturing industry, whether it be in the playing prowess, or whether it just be you being a teacher in the industry. But this sports edge will always deliver the right meaning.